Do I really know where I'm spending my money? Do I know where I'm wasting my money? And chances are, if you've turned up here, there's a part of you that's also avoided money. I'm guessing there's a part of you that doesn't like looking at your bank statement. There's a part of you that maybe wants to put it away. There's a part of you that doesn't check how much you've saved because you're scared. You're scared to look at the number. And here's what I want to start by telling you. It's not your fault. It's not something you should know how to do. I think we all feel like we grow up and all of a sudden we're paying rent, we're paying taxes, we've got to figure out what a mortgage is, we have no idea how that works, everything has interest, and all of a sudden you grow up and you go, well, wait a minute, no one taught me this in school. Even if you studied economics at school, you didn't know how real world economy worked. Number one, you don't have an income problem, you have a decision problem. Most 20-year-olds think they'll be better with money once they can earn more. I'm sure you've said this as well. When I have more money, I'll be better at dealing with it. Right now, I don't have enough to even think about it. But science shows that your sense of control, not your salary, predicts your financial well-being. People with an internal locus of control who believe they influence their outcomes are more likely to budget, save, and bounce back from financial stress. One of my favorite quotes from Jim Rohn is he said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." But here's the takeaway. The moment you take responsibility for your financial habits, even if you're broke, is the moment you start building wealth. Here's an action. List 3 money-related decisions you can make today, even if your income is low. You could set up a free budgeting app. You could cancel 1 unnecessary subscription. You could transfer £5 to savings or $5, even if it feels small. Don't avoid talking about money. Don't avoid talking to people about money. Don't act broke to stay relatable. Don't play so small so no one feels uncomfortable. Don't pretend you don't care about wealth when you're struggling without it. Don't shame ambition, then envy the results. Don't wait to get rich before learning how to manage it. Don't hide your financial goals. Speak them like they already belong to you. Don't stay silent about money and expect your relationship with it to improve. It's like not talking to your partner and wanting to stay in love. Imagine if you never talked about love. You never talked about your relationship. You never talked about connection or intimacy. How good would your relationship be? How healthy would it be? People who believe that they can control their destiny, that they can change their reality, that they take control of their financial habits will see change. I want you to recognize that. You won't feel better about your financial situation because you avoid looking at your bank statement. You'll only feel better about your financial situation when you actually turn towards it. Number 2, you won't save what you don't see. This is a psychological principle. We spend what we mentally label as available. If your paycheck hits your account and sits there, your brain sees it as spendable. Don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. You want to create an automatic save and then spend what is left over. You don't want to be in a position where you just have this amount in your current account and you're thinking, okay, I'm going to try and save some of it this month. And then at the end of the month, you're looking at it and you're back at zero. You got to remember this. Your brain is lazy, but programmable. Open a second account today, automate 10%, 20%, whatever you can do of every paycheck, even if it's $10 to go straight there and label it Freedom Fund. Make it automated and make it separated. Don't just make money, learn to keep it. Don't spend to look rich, save to stay free. Don't let every paycheck pass through you like you don't matter. Don't confuse lifestyle with wealth. Don't buy comfort now and borrow stress later. Don't think saving is boring. It's the most rebellious thing in a world that wants you broke. Don't treat saving like a punishment. Treat it like self-respect. A lot of people that I've spoken to, finance experts as well, will talk about the dangers of how everyone online will tell you, invest, invest, invest. You may end up losing a bunch of money on crypto. You may end up losing a bunch of money on NFTs. You don't need to do any of those get-rich-quick schemes. Number 3, buying things won't make you rich, but learning about them actually might. Most people think money is for spending, not studying, but impulsive buying triggers dopamine and short-term pleasure, while financial literacy builds long-term gain. Studies show those with higher financial literacy experience lower anxiety, more saving, and better life outcomes. Warren Buffett said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Money grows when your brain grows first. Talking about investing, spend 10 minutes today reading about a financial concept. Compound interest, inflation, investing. Swap one scroll for one financial insight. Investing in yourself and your knowledge is a far better investment at the beginning of your wealth journey than any other asset. I promise you that. Buying things won't make you rich. Impressing people won't build your net worth. Wearing your salary won't grow your savings. Spending like you're wealthy won't make you wealthy. Every time you buy to feel better, you're selling off your future peace. You don't need more stuff, you need more strategy. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to stop worrying about money. Now, I'm not saying I don't want you to treat yourself. I'm not saying that I like nice things too. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. You just don't want it to be imbalanced. You don't want it to be that you're stressed every time you buy something.